Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the system image. Download the Jetpack build and verify its checksum so you avoid corrupted installs. Once verified, choose a 16 GB or larger micro SD, 32 GB recommended for models and datasets, because storage speed affects performance. Use Bailna Etcher or similar to flash the image. Make sure to select the correct drive and wait for verification. After flashing, safely eject the card and insert it into the Jetson Nano, then move on to powering the board. Once done, power the Nano and watch the initial boot sequence. You will create a user and set locale during the first boot wizard. Make sure to connect Ethernet or a supported USB Wi-Fi adapter to get online, because updates and Jetpack components download during setup. If you need more CPU/GPU power, switch to the higher power mode with the jumper or power supply. This increases performance for models. Finally, update packages and reboot to ensure drivers and firmware apply correctly. You now install SDKs and test a sample. Use apt and pip to install Python 3 packages, then verify CUDA, cuDNN, and TensorRT provided by Jetpack so your frameworks leverage the GPU. Clone a sample repo and run an image classification or camera demo to confirm camera, drivers, and GPU acceleration. If things go wrong, check dmesc and /var/log/syslog for driver errors. Ensure the power supply meets current demands, and enable SSH for remote debug.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.